Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm the Compliance Manager for Provectus. I ensure that the group remains compliant within regulatory and legislative parameters. I also ensure that we meet our accreditation requirements. I oversee the external audits, internal audits, I coordinate internal audits. Oversee the training across the group to ensure that everybody remains competent within their role. I've been here for 5.5 years. I joined Provectus in 2021. Started off as an administrator in finance and quality, progressed into the internal audit role. Hadn't done it before, so went into that, and now I've progressed into the compliance manager role. The day-to-day of my job is basically I ensure that we are fully compliant with our accreditation portals, we are heavily accredited. I coordinate internal and external audits, make sure that all the teams are aware of the planning, when it's going to be, ensure that everybody is... I nag them basically to make sure that everybody is doing what they're meant to be doing. And that's my day to day. What first attracted me to Provectus was when I was applying and I actually looked into the company and I saw that it was a remediation company. I'd not actually heard of remediation before. So for me, it was something that was a little bit niche, probably a bit more challenging. And then obviously it was on my doorstep, although I do get to travel around the country as well. So I'm not actually now just stuck in an office. So I do like that element of it. And then what's kept me here is the family feel. Everyone works as a team. We've all got the same goal. Everyone's approachable. You can talk to anybody. So it just contributes to that real family feel element, which I appreciate. If I was to describe Provectus to somebody who's unfamiliar with the company, I would say it's remediating the land, so your brownfield sites. We regenerate, reuse in a sustainable way the soils in the ground. We do ground stabilisation, so we've just completed a Cardiff project. So before the actual arena's built, we've gone into the grounds, ensured that the ground is safe, so then contractors going forward can build upon. It's creating the foundations for what can be there. Collaboration across the group is extremely important because we all want to achieve the same end goal, and that is to remediate the land. We've got different departments. We've got a technical team, so we've got our site engineers that then work with the operations teams. Then we've got our waste management, and we've all got the same goal to be environmentally sustainable, ensure that we do the job properly. So working as a team and being collaborative is really, really important. The thing I'm most excited about for the company going forward is how, from a compliance point of view, is how closely we're aligning the different companies. So we've got Provectus Soils, we've got Provectus Remediation. They're actually aligning, so we've got a better working relationship, which is going to benefit the company as a whole. And I think the most exciting thing is actually watching that grow and seeing where that takes us. The culture of Provectus is one of inclusivity. You're not just a number. Everyone is looked at on their own personal merit. It is very much a family feel. What personally motivates me is knowing that we're doing a good job. When I see everybody working together, our end goal is achieved, that's what personally motivates me and then wants to carry on and go further. The thing that I'm most proud of at Provectus is the actual team that I work with. Everybody is different, but we all work really well together. I'm also very proud of where we were 5 years ago and where we're going. We're progressing, and we're progressing in the right way. And I'm extremely proud of where everybody is at the moment.